Hi, it's Brad. I hope you're having a fabulous start at 2026. Just want to talk about two brand new loan programs that just came out. The first one is CalHFA, and they offer up to $150,000 for down payment assistance. Wow, up to 20% of the down payment. It's competitive fixed rate financing, and they have a deferred repayment program. The second program is FHA with down payment assistance. You need a 660 minimum FICO score, and there's no income limits. And also, you don't have to worry about being a first-time home buyer to qualify. This is also good for a 3.5% or 5% down payment assistance. We're here to explain these programs to you and get you started into your first home. With rates being the lowest they've been since September 2022, it's a great time to get started. I look forward to speaking with you soon. Give me a call or send me an email, and we'll connect soon. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.